Move over Viagra. There's now a new ED drug in town. It's being called a game changer. Dr. Erwin Goldstein, director at San Diego Sexual Medicine Alvarado Hospital, is here with an in-depth look at what actually may be a better option for men and women. This is very interesting, doctor. We were chatting about this earlier because we were talking about, Viagra's been on the market. It's been a huge success for many years now. What's the difference with this new drug that you just said it was approved on Friday?
Yes, so the FDA approved the first drug for the condition of male sexual dysfunction since basically 1998 was when Viagra got approved. So it's a whole bunch of years, yeah. The name of the drug Stendra, S-T-E-N-D-R-A. It's actually made by a company in Mountain View, California. So the research for that was actually done here in San Diego. The publication is in the Journal of Sexual Medicine.
Of course.
And we are very excited by this. There are a few advantages to this. The time till the drug peaks in your bloodstream is 30 minutes, so it has really good effect at 15 minutes. That means this is likely the first drug for this condition that we call on demand. In other words, you sort of take it and get a reaction.
So it's faster acting, you're saying, because I was talking to you earlier, you said the Viagra, it takes about an hour.
Right.
And then so this one, 15 minutes. So what is that going to mean for the market, for the ED market out there right now? What is this going to do to Viagra?
Well, some people get frustrated by the relationship of a pill and to what's a freedom of expression, and they don't want to be inhibited by it, so this clearly will not be one of the problems. The other benefit to the drug is the side effect issue. The medication is not associated with the blue vision that some of the other medications are, and there's few headaches. So we actually think of this potentially as being used in the other gender.
How will that be used?
So we have lots of data that the same drugs that increase blood flow to men when they're sexually aroused increase blood flow to women when they're sexually aroused and can improve the sexual response. So the problem with women is they tend not to initiate, so having something fast acting is really good.
You mentioned Viagra was approved in '98. That's 14 years. What's taken so long to get something that's competitive, I guess, with Viagra? Why has it taken so long?
They did research. I can't answer that really, but we're happy that the research and effort in the field of sexual medicine is ongoing, and we're very excited by that.
How long before this actually hits the market? When are folks going to be able to buy it?
So the yellow pill?
The yellow pill.
Will be out probably in a few months. Stendra.
Do you see Stendra taking the place of Viagra? Is this going to be just an alternative to Viagra, or is it going to maybe just surpass it because of the time, how quickly it works?
Those are good questions. I think like we have drugs for depression, and there's countless drugs for depression, and they just make the message more that people who have depressive problems can get help. So I think this is just another way to say, hey, sexual problems can be helped.
Yeah, we always have to ask, is there room for abuse here, and who is and who isn't a candidate for this drug?
Well, I mean, the drug is indicated for people with the condition having a problem with penile erections, and you would only want to use it under those conditions, basically.
All right, doctor, good information as always. If you would like to reach Dr. Goldstein for yourself, you can. San Diego Sexual Medicine, Alvarado Hospital, the number 619-265-8865. Doctor, as always, we thank you for your time.
Thank you very much.
We appreciate it. All right, over to you.